Paul Lawrence Toole, an Australian politician, is the Deputy Premier and leader of the New South Wales Nationals since October 2021. He was previously the Deputy Party leader since 2019. Toole is the New South Wales Minister for Regional Transport and Roads in the second Berejiklian ministry since April 2019. He is a member of the New South Wales Legislative Assembly, representing Bathurst for the Nationals since 26 March 2011. Toole has previously served as the Minister for Lands and Forestry and the Minister for Racing in the first Berejiklian ministry from January 2017 until March 2019, and the Minister for Local Government in the second Berejiklian ministry from April 2014 until January 2017. Toole is one of 9 children raised by Trevor and Ellen Toole of Peel, a village outside Bathurst, in the central west of New South Wales. Toole's father was a thrice unsuccessful candidate for state and federal political office, representing the National Party at the 1984 and 1995 state elections for Bathurst and the 1996 federal election for Callar. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.